April kicked off to a really warm start. Yesterday we had plenty of sunshine. We had temperatures topping out in the 60s. Today we have 50s, even though we have all that cloud cover, and we have scattered showers and even 1 or 2 thunderstorms. Some of the first thunderstorms of the season for the Midwest and definitely for us. Here's a live look outside at Muskegon right now. You can see it's starting to really cloud up. Those clouds are getting thicker and lowering. That is because we do have a downpour that's getting fairly close to Muskegon as we speak. In fact, if we switch and take a look at that Storm Track Live view of West Michigan and over Lake Michigan, you can see widespread downpours here. Most of them are going to skirt to the north of Grand Rapids. You can see this big batch here. All of this is headed towards the Big Rapids area. So if we stop this for you here and track it into Big Rapids, get ready. Right around 1:30 is when it's going to start to turn rainy. Muskegon, this downpour is headed towards you 12:45. So before we're at the end of this broadcast, we will see it. Again, most of the rain is going to stay to the north of Grand Rapids. However, we still have a few showers that are going to move through Grand Rapids proper. This first one headed towards Holland at 12:50, and on the northern edge of that should pass through Grand Rapids at 1:37. Kalamazoo, we're also seeing quite a bit of activity just to the south. So if you live in northern Kalamazoo County, staying pretty dry, but southern Kalamazoo County, completely different story. Looks like we will start to see some of these showers clear out just a bit, get a little bit of a lull in the rain by the time you get to 12:45. And then, of course, that means Battle Creek. It's headed towards you guys. Looks like we'll track that into the area of the Battle Creek region at about 1 o'clock. So in general, everybody really has a chance for rain. You can see that on your Futurecast. This is 1 o'clock. If we stop at 3, this is when we're going to see a really big push of showers. That's because this is when the cold front is actually going to be moving through. So after this, we're going to start to see cooler air pool on in. And look what happens for your afternoon, 7 o'clock. We actually start to see some clearing. So showers, even 1 or 2 storms possible today, topping out at 63 with that breeziness. Temperatures now in the upper 50s, if not 60 degrees, cooler along the lakeshore. And then this afternoon into tonight, that all comes to an end. Temperatures drop down to the 30s overnight tonight. And then we make way for this system, which is headed towards us for Friday. That's going to bring us a chance for showers and maybe even a few snowflakes once we get to Friday evening. Looks like it's going to clip the southern half of West Michigan more so. So again, Van Buren County, Kalamazoo County, Calhoun County, same spots that are seeing those rain showers right now. So big drop here into Friday, and then we hold into the 40s for all of Easter weekend. It's going to be a very active week here, and it is going to be on the cool side. So Sunday, Easter Sunday, we actually do still have that chance of rain and maybe even a few snowflakes. We are going to be watching that really closely over the weekend. And then the entire first stretch here as we get into April stays kind of on the cool side. But you know, something that was really beautiful today, Sue, was 1, we had the thunderstorms, which I enjoy. And then 2, we saw beautiful rainbows.
Wonderful.
All across West Michigan. And we actually have 1 or 2 of those rainbow shots. Oh, look at this, wow. A double bow. Did you know that every rainbow technically has a double bow? Just sometimes it gets diffused by the particles in the air. So gorgeous shots there.
So pretty. Yes, I love it.
It's a nice way to start your day.
It sure is. I love it when people send in pictures like that. Look how perfect that is.
I do too. It just brightens up your day. So we really appreciate you guys sharing this with us, and we're glad that we get to show everyone in West Michigan too.
And wonderful to see that. All right, Ellen, thank you. Well,